How to boot in safe mode in Windows 11. Or, how to boot Windows 11 into safe mode easily. Okay. Without waste of time, let me start. First, move down and click on Start. Here click on Power option. On your keyboard press and hold Shift key. Then click on Restart option. Here you will see the Please Wait option while restarting. Then this menu will come. Click on Troubleshoot option. Click on Advanced option. Here select and click on Startup Settings option. Here click on Restart. OK. Now here press number 4 on your keyboard for Enable Safe Mode. Done. Now we are in safe mode. So, that's the easiest way to enter into safe mode on Windows 11. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel for more tech videos. And if you want to move out safe mode, all what you have to do is just click on Start. Then Power option. After that it will boot into normal mode. So, thank you for watching. Until next time.